So this is the actual Bluetooth adapter for your car. It takes a couple hours of charging and it will last for long. It has a microphone and it will receive and it will transmit into your local radio. Just make sure you put auxiliary out in actually and it'll start picking up. So very small petite item. If you don't have if you have an older car and you need Bluetooth, this is a perfect way to add it. So we have the bottom one. It's just came up right now and the ID shows up in here. It's on your phone here. Make sure it's syncing up. Right now it's looking for a Bluetooth connection. We're setting up our phone and you'll see it sync up automatically and it just came up as connected. So now we have it sync into the device itself. Now we're able to put the audio jack into the regular radio. I'm gonna turn it on and then we're gonna transmit something from there. Here we just put auxiliary in. We set up our music from our phone to our directing to the actual Bluetooth wirelessly. You can make phone calls, you can answer phone calls and hear your calls through there.
You can pause it here.
So we're gonna answer a call right here.
Oh no, oh here.
We're gonna pick up a phone call.
Oh, hello?
Testing 1 2 3.
Alan?
Oh yeah, we can hear him too. So it's working, the speakers are working.
Everything's good?
I'll see you when you come.
All right.